It's Lloyd from Poseidon Boat. Now we have very busy workshop. You can see all the boys are working. So this is number 3 version of this 4 units police boat for the United Nations under Lloyd register. So you can see now we have seen progress of these 4 boats, and we are doing all the structure finish. You can see the structure of the whole boat is very strong with a lot of structures, and they have good weldings for the all these parts, all with fully welded, and also they have you can see they have another deck, and everything is being fully welded on the certain patterns. So you can see also from here, on the side, all these side plate, the strainers, they have been fully welded. So this is a very good example to see the welding finish of this craft, certified by the Lloyd register. So they do it for the inspection for all the welding for this 4 units commercial boat. So these are quite important. Also, you can see all the welding for the bridge for under this deck is good welding. This is another angle. You can see the interior welding of this catamaran tubes, which is very strong. This example to show the bridge connections. So you can see they have a lot of bunker head, about the distance for the frame about 500 mm. So this is a quite good finish. Now you see this another 3 bolts. This one same finish standard. We have another one, and this one. So in about 1 or 2 weeks, these 4 bolts will be finished all the welding work, and we send to the painting room to start the painting work. Then I will make another video to show the progress. Okay, thank you.